na yung akala natin na unconstitutional 2025 budget ay dahil lamang sa pag-defund sa PhilHealth. Ito pong ipinakita ngayong gabi ni Pangulong Duterte, yung blankong committee report ng Bicameral Conference Committee ay higit pa pala doon sa nalalaman nating mga Pilipino. At pasalamat tayo kay Congressman Sidungab sa kanyang pagsasaliksik at lumalabas yung katotohanan dahil wala na talagang transparency. At ngayon naman tayo mga Pilipino dapat humingi ng accountability.
Thank you, Attorney Vic. Attorney Dagra?
Yes po. Itong na-discover ni Congressman Sig, mas mabigat pa ito to what was already discussed in the several weeks that we had, as mentioned by Attorney Vic, as regards yung pagtataas ng budget ng DPWH over that of the education sector, which is already unconstitutional. Ito, mas glaring pa ang anomalya. So I think this has to